casino. Okay, well, we came out for one cow. Okay, I need you to, Parker, go to her left. Her left. Yeah, split them off. Let her by. And we gotta keep casino in. Open the gate. Open it up. We've got another cow calving. I guess we've got two calving. It's just one of those days. All right, we gotta get her in a pen, right? We should have put her in right here. That's okay, open this up and we're gonna get her right in here. Okay, I'll get her back. I'll get her back here. She was wanting in the barn to calve. All right, casino, let's go. Parker, move in. Push her in. Only her. Yep, let her go. There's both feet there. As long as they're both going the right direction. Absolutely not. They're upside down. She's backward, or yeah, she's upside. She's backwards. We got to get her in the maternity pen. Okay, hey. Come on, let's go. Come on, move out. Come on, get out of here. Come on, get out of here. There, close that up. We're gonna have to pull this one fast. All right, we came out with another one, and casino's calving, so we got two calving right now. I did not see her; she was hiding. Okay, so we could tell by looking, the feet are upside down in the water bag. So we've got to pull this one because it's got to be quick, and they're big. I need to hook, just drop that on here. Can you pull on that? Give it a good pull. This may not be a good one.
Is it good? They're yellow.
Okay. This will have to be quick. Once you get it going, it's gotta go. Yep, when it goes. Okay, I went down. Relax. Okay.
What is?
Ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Yep. Yep. Come on. It's a heifer.
That's a heifer.
Okay, best thing right now, let's let the mom lick it. Okay. Get this on the other side. Grab your stuff and I'll open up the... Let's go. Okay. Okay, we came out and checked because we got another cow calving that we got to deal with now. And Parker, help your mom work with this one. All right, let's go grab that other cow. When I yell at you to open it up, you come and open it up. Come on there, sweetie, let's go. You're going inside. Get over there, Linz. Come on. Okay, Parker, open up. Open up. Open up. One. those pants are dirty. Come on, shake that head. She's moving her head. Let's get these ones paired up. Back up. Let's let this cow at it.
Go to town. Which is your best pair that we put in here?
All right. Well, we came out to help this cow, Cav, because we've been watching her for a while. This one was hidden around the corner where we can't see her. Now we need that mom to start sucking, so we're gonna let them be. That one came backwards. I don't like those ones. Right on. Well, this one we had to give it a good pull. The coloring on this bull calf, I just absolutely love. I love that kind of coloring. Looks really good. Calf has been on. Had to help it out a little bit. Mom's dried it off. Pretty good, but we're gonna probably have to do a little bit more, but we'll process them later. And no, let's go like this. Daryl and Dylan were able to get out of their yard, so they are here, and we're moving cows in. All right, well, we're doing it a little different. We're gonna put all the pairs in the middle, and the cows that we brought in that we think are close to calving, they're taking up the pens on the side. That way these calves can rip around, and these cows need some food, so we're gonna bring them some silage yet. And yeah, this pair is doing much better. The calf's been on. He's got some wicked coloring, lots of yellow on him. Mama did a really good job. I think the calves are really liking this openness. They've been running around. Could be some stealing going on here. Hey? Right here, there, 8D. Come on. Bip, bip. Here. There you go. How they know each other by the smell. Right on. This guy wants to fight me. Hey? Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it knows already that there's something wrong with this thing and it ain't gonna make it. No idea. Calf hasn't stood yet. Dried it off. Tried to give it some good and some Metacam, which is Tylenol for livestock. So we often do that whenever we have to pull. Whenever we have to pull a calf, we often give them Metacam if it was a tough pull or something went wrong or whatever. So when a calf is being born backwards, the reason it has to go quick is when that umbilical cord rips, the calf needs to breathe, and if it's inside, it can't breathe. So you'd like to get that head out as quick as possible, from hips to head out really quick. That happened. Calf is still a bit slow, so we'll see how it goes over the next couple days. That cow typically raises a very good calf, does very good at mothering it, and she was off. And I'm guessing we went like, I don't know from experience, but when a calf is born backwards, it's not the way it's supposed to go. And I'm thinking it was harder on her. Casino was probably pretty sore and didn't really want to lick the calf, didn't want to mother it because it was just sore. That's what we're thinking. But yeah, she typically mothers her calf very well. So hope you like the video. We had fun. I was like having live calves. This guy wants to fight me. Okay. Hey? Hey? Yeah. Good day. So hope you enjoyed the video and make a comment and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This is the backwards calf that me and Lindsay pulled, and she is doing awesome. Took a couple days to get the calf able to latch on her own, but I just caught her now. Normally we have to wake her up to get on and then direct her in the safe path, or in the right path. And I walked into the barn because another cow just calved, and here she was going to town. I'd love to see that. They can get booted out into the big pen tomorrow.